Hi everybody, Dr. Bryton here for Two Tip Tuesday. Today, obviously a different day. We've got some unusual environments going on, and so I'm actually filming from my basement. Not because I'm stuck in my basement, just because the kids finally went to sleep and this is the chance I got to film this. We've got some different health issues going on around us, and so as many of you are aware, our office is closed. There's a couple things that I want to note. First and foremost, we are closed to any what are considered non-essential treatments. Emergencies, we are still very open for. You'll see that you can call our office 616-453-2255, and my cell phone is on there if myself or my wife is not there to field any calls. But if you need anything, please do not be afraid to reach out, and I'll kind of get more back to that a little bit later. But in addition to that, why we closed. So data shows that a dental office can be one of the most highly exposed offices. So for the sake of myself, but my staff, I did not think it was a wise decision to be in the dental office with non-essential treatments. But in addition to that, it's one of the most exposing environments, and that's a big deal because we see a significant number of patients that either have systemic conditions that predispose them to issues or risk, or the elderly, and that is something that we take very seriously. And so for the sake of my staff and their safety, myself, as well as our patients, we felt it was appropriate to close normal function. But again, we are open for emergencies if you have them. So I just wanted to be clear on that. Now from there, as most of you have heard me say, your oral health plays a significant role in impacting your systemic health. And so to maintain your oral health in proper and good fashion will actually improve your immune system, which in doing so can help you with things like viruses in general, but including the one that we are facing right now. So I urge you, continue to take care of your oral health. And though we may not be able to help you in doing that, you know the things that you need to do at home. Continue to do them. And it was a little bit bittersweet, but for those of you that have called with some concerns, that was really cool because it shows me that people are taking this in and recognize how it can impact their health for the better. So continue to do that. From there, I will tell you that I am very much available at this time, and I would love to make myself available to anybody that has questions. Even if you're not a patient, contact me. I really am available. I'll be checking Facebook once a day, and I will be checking obviously our office phone and email pretty regularly for any needs. But if you just have a question, call me. I had somebody actually contact me from Los Angeles today. That was really cool because they had a concern, and I was able to hopefully give them some relief from the concern. And so for those of you out there that do have concerns, contact me. I know right now is an odd time. So feel free to reach out. From there, I will say this. We don't know when we'll be back and running per usual. And in times of uncertainty, one of the biggest issues is most times you feel very alone. In my experiences in life, some of the biggest challenges I've faced, the hardest part about it is I felt like I was alone. And if there's anything you can take away from right now, is these times of uncertainty, you're literally surrounded by everybody else with the same amount of uncertainty. And that's a really cool feeling because though we're in a bad scenario per se, we're surrounded by everybody else, and together it makes it a lot easier to get through it. So remember that. Finally, I'll leave you with this. It's better to trust the Creator than that which was created. The Creator has brought it all into being. So to trust the being doesn't make much sense. Trust the Creator. So there's your Two Tip Tuesday. I will be very available. Please reach out if you need me. I would gladly help anybody. If you have questions, concerns, if you definitely have an emergency, please reach out. But my hope is to be very much available during this time as much as I can, and hopefully provide maybe a little bit of comfort for others that are having some challenges. So hope you have a wonderful rest of your St. Patrick's Day, which, by the way, happy St. Patrick's Day. That's why I'm wearing green. And I hope you have a blessed week. And I hope to be a little more active on here too. I will say, if anybody's out there and they want to do something live, or if they want to, I don't care, reach out to me doing this, I'm all about it. So I'm available. So have a great rest of your day and a great rest of your week. Thank you.